Yeah, you're coloring. No, you're coloring. Yay! Let's get you a couple more colors. Here you go. He's got more colors. Ooh, here's a light one. Here you go. There you go. Here, look. Look. Here. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. That's how you do that. Yeah. You're coloring. There you go. Uh-huh. You'll pick up another color? Let's get you some bright colors. There you go. Here's a purple, which is a beautiful color. Violet. Orange, yellow. There you go. Mm-hmm. You want to do some coloring? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Here, you want to color? You want to put the color with the purple crayon? There you go. You can make marks too. See? See that? Yeah. You can do that. Let me find a yellow one. Here's yellow. We don't have a gold one because that gold will go with the purple, but we don't have a gold one. Here. You do. There you go. Just hold it just like that. There you go. There you go. You want to try the yellow one? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Here. There's an orange one. There you go. You can draw with that one. You can draw with that. There you go. You can color with that one too. Uh-huh. Yeah, you want some more crayons? Here we go. Get you a couple more. It's your pink one. That's what your mom and dad's favorite color. Here you go. There you go. You want dad to help you? Here we are. There you go. There you go. You can see what you're doing. There you go. Yeah, you hold it like that. There you go. Hold it like that. There you go. You have to hold it down a little bit. Hold it down a little bit. There you go. Hold it down a little bit. Like that, so you can control it a little bit better. There you go. Oh, you're independent. Oh my, honey bunny. Oh my.